Disclaimer: stock trading is inherently risky and the users agree to assume complete and full responsibility for the outcomes of all trading decisions that they make, including but not limited to loss of capital. Matthew, chapter 25 verse 14-30, "For it will be like a man going on a journey, who called his servants and entrusted to them his property. To one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, to another 1, to each according to his ability. Then he went away. He who had received the 5 talents went at once and traded with them, and he made 5 talents more. So also he who had the 2 talents made 2 talents more. But he who had received the 1 talent went and dug in the ground and hid his master's money." For today's video, we are going to talk about, what is the Ichimoku Cloud Technical Analysis Indicator? The Ichimoku Cloud consists of 5 lines or calculations, 2 of which make up a cloud where the difference between the 2 lines is filled in. The lines include a 9-period average, a 26-period average, an average of these 2 averages, a 52-period average, and a closing price line that lags behind. The cloud is an integral component of the indicator. When the price falls below the cloud, a downward trend exists. When the price is above the cloud, an upward trend is present. If the cloud is moving in the same direction as the price, the above trend signals are strengthened. During an uptrend, the cloud's top moves upwards, whereas during a downtrend, the cloud's bottom moves downwards. What exactly is an Ichimoku cloud? The Ichimoku cloud is a group of technical indicators that display support and resistance levels, momentum, and trend direction. This is accomplished by plotting multiple averages on a chart. In addition, these numbers are used to compute a cloud that attempts to predict where the price may encounter support or resistance in the future. Goichi Hosoda, a Japanese journalist, devised and published the Ichimoku cloud in the late 1960s. It offers more data elements than the conventional candlestick chart. At first sight, it may appear complicated, but those who are accustomed to interpreting charts and trading signals typically find it simple to comprehend. Ichimoku cloud calculation in the conversion line, the highs and lows represent the highest and lowest prices for the past 9 days. If you wish to compute it manually, here are the steps. Convert and baseline. Calculate leading span using previous calculations. Calculated data is shown 26 cycles into the future. Let B plot this data point 26 periods ahead. Chart the closing price 26 times ago for the lagging span. The cloud is colored by leading span A minus leading span B. Color the cloud green when leading span A is above B. Color the cloud red when leading span A is below B. One data point is created above. After each period, repeat the processes to produce fresh data points for the lines. Connect data points for lines and clouds. Ichimoku cloud limitations. Lines from the indicator might clutter a chart. Most charting software lets you hide lines. All lines may be concealed except leading span A and B, which generate the cloud. If all lines are bothersome, traders should concentrate on the most informative ones and hide the rest. The cloud might become unimportant if the price stays above or below it for a long time. In these cases, the conversion line, baseline, and crossings are more essential since they are closer to the price. Ichimoku cloud averages vary from moving averages. Simple moving averages add closing prices and divide by their number. The average of a 10-period moving average is the sum of the past 10 closing prices divided by 10. Ichimoku cloud estimations disagree. Divided highs and lows determine them. Even with the same number of periods, Ichimoku averages vary from regular moving averages. Different indicators give different information. In conclusion, the Ichimoku cloud shows numerous averages on a chart to produce a cloud of potential price resistance or support. Technical indicators reflect support, resistance, trend direction, and momentum. The Ichimoku cloud is comparable to other technical indicators like moving averages, despite its limitations. It displays data differently.
That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned many new things about the stock market. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Also follow us on our Facebook page to learn more about the stock market.